In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link PayPal to Deel. If you're a contractor or freelancer who gets paid through Deel, connecting your PayPal account is quick and it makes cashing out straightforward. Here's how to set it up from start to finish, plus a few tips to avoid delays. First, sign in to your Deel contractor or freelancer account. Once you're on your dashboard, look for Finance, sometimes labeled Wallet depending on your layout. Open that area to manage how you get paid. In the Finance or Wallet view, find Withdrawal Methods. This is the section that lists where your earnings can be sent. Click Add Method to start linking a new payout option. From the list of available methods, choose PayPal. Deel supports PayPal as a payout method, and when you select it, you'll see on-screen prompts guiding the connection. In some cases, Deel may briefly redirect you or ask for PayPal-related details right on the page. If you see a browser pop-up or redirect, allow it so the connection can complete, and then return to Deel to finish the setup. When prompted, provide the email address associated with your PayPal account. Just enter the address you already use with PayPal. No extra credentials here. For security, Deel will never ask you for your PayPal password here. The email and address are all that's needed. Just as important, make sure the billing address you enter on Deel matches the address on your PayPal account. Deel specifically warns that any mismatch can slow things down or even cause problems with the payout, so it's worth double-checking before you continue. After you've saved the method, you're ready to withdraw. When it's time to cash out, go back to Withdrawal Methods, pick PayPal, and submit your payout request. Keep an eye on the details on the confirmation screen so you know exactly what's being sent and where it's headed. Deel notes that withdrawals to PayPal carry a 2.5% fee through Deel. Review any estimated fees shown before you finalize the request so there are no surprises. The payout typically arrives in about 1 business day, although timelines can vary based on your location and any banking or holiday delays. If your earnings are in a different currency than your PayPal balance, consider how conversion may impact the final amount you receive. That's it. Linking PayPal to Deel is a one-time setup that simplifies future withdrawals. If you run into anything unexpected, the Deel Help Center at helpletsdeel.com has current guidance and troubleshooting. You can always edit or remove this method from the same Withdrawal Methods page if your payout preferences change. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get paid quickly and confidently.